Hi all, I'm Dee. Welcome to Decode's YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be seeing about the latest Walmart Sparkathon, which is the gateway to success for your career, technological career. So let's get into it. But before that, I'd like to show you my YouTube channel, which is Decodes. The purpose of my channel is to be helpful to people who are attending interviews so that they can get to the next step of their life. So I upload technical interview experience, HR interview experience, coding questions asked in different interviews, scenario-based questions, and also hiring updates, Java shorts, Java course even. So if you subscribe me, you can get the updates regularly that's happening in the technical world. And kindly like and comment and share my content with your friends and ask them to subscribe too. Now let's get into the video, shall we? The first is this Walmart Sparkathon. I'll explain you all of these things. So if you've not started with the Walmart Sparkathon, then do not worry. The first step is knowing about the process. Okay, so kindly watch this video till the end because I even have some ideas that you could use to participate in this Sparkathon, and I'm going to give you some tips to actually win in this hackathon. Okay, so do not worry if you've not started it yet. Watch this video completely. You'll get more than enough idea. Okay, now let's get into this. What is Walmart Sparkathon? Well, it is an open innovation challenge for Indian engineering students such that it helps them showcase their innovative solutions to the company, such that it will also be helpful for the Walmart to create a delightful shopping experience. So this is a platform, guys, to showcase your talent. Whatever you have hidden in yourself till now, showcase it right here, and I'll help you with that also. Okay, now let's get into the important timelines and dates that you need to know. So, a month back itself, on July 15th, 2024, the applications have started opening, and the last date is August 16, 2024. So, only 4 days are left. Okay, but do not worry. Watch this video till the end. I'll get you started up with the process. Okay. On August 30, 2024, the finalists will be announced, and after that, there'll be a round on uh, under that on September 20, 2024, on which the final winner will be announced. Okay, so this is the timeline. Do not miss this. You have only 4 days left. So let's get into this. So first, you need to know about the eligibility criteria. So before participating, you should know if you're eligible, right? So if you are an Indian pursuing engineering in any of these degree, then you are eligible. Computer science, data science and AI, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, and even mathematics. Okay, so if you are from any of these departments, degrees, then you are eligible. But the year of your graduation also matters. So if you are under full-time BE/BTech program, then you should be a graduating batch of 2025 or 2026. Okay. First and second year students, you people are not eligible to apply. Okay. So if you come under full-time dual degree program, then the graduating batches of 2025 and 2026 only are eligible. So under this dual degree program, if you are a first, second, or third year student, you are not eligible to apply. Don't worry, you can start your preparation. The ineligible students can start your preparation from now so that it will happen again in next year. You will be all ready for this. So you can even watch this video till the end. Okay, it will give you an extra edge for the competition that's already prevailing. Okay, if you are a full-time ME MTech student, then the graduating batch of 2025 only is eligible. If you are a first year student, you are not eligible to apply. So I hope the eligibility criteria was understandable. Now let's move on to the next part, which is the hackathon theme. Okay, so you have these four hackathon themes from which you have to choose one theme, and you can participate with that theme. Okay, the theme that are mentioned are data, supply chain, emerging technologies, and future of retail. So data is everywhere. So with the help of data analysis is performed. You can do machine learning things, data science. So you should be able to solve the data related problems in case of data. Okay. And then comes the supply chain. In case of supply chain, it is simply the point of origin, the distance the between the point of origin and the customer. So what happens, that network, the network between the point of origin of a product and the customer, that is the supply chain. Take Amazon, right? So Amazon is delivering their products from a point of origin through the customers. So what is involved between these 2 points? That is the supply chain. So there is so much of things in supply chain you can choose from this theme also. Emerging technologies, there are so much of emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, um, AI, ML, and also you have got like augmented reality, virtual reality, so much of things. You can choose from one of this emerging technology also, and you can do something so that the future of retail is better, right? So in order to improve the retail experience, you can do something. You can do something in this part. So these are all the themes that's mentioned. If you want me to do a separate video explaining all of these themes, then I can do that. Okay. But in this video itself, towards the end, I have given you each idea for each of these themes. Okay. One idea for each of these themes. So kindly do watch it till the end. Okay. The next is, how do you exactly participate in this? So what you need to do is, as I mentioned before, I've mentioned four of these themes. You need to select a theme which is easier for you, which you have which you have a problem statement for. Okay, you need to search up and choose one theme. After selecting this theme, you need to find the problem. Okay, there might be a problem within that theme, some problem that's experienced by the people. Okay, so you need to choose one of the problem statement and describe the problem statement. Okay, and then for every problem there is a solution. You need to come up with that solution. Okay, and then finally you have to upload a demo video. So in this demo video, what you need to do is, you need to just explain. You don't need to show any model, you don't need to show any working model, any project hardware or anything like that. You don't need to show anything, any software. Just take 2 minutes to explain your problem, your theme, your problem statement, and the solution. Okay, you should take only 2 minutes. In this 2 minutes you have to explain it, and then you have to upload it in the submission form via YouTube link. So there is the registration. You just first register first, and then you need to. There is a submission form also there. You need to upload this video as a YouTube link in the submission form. This is how you participate. Okay. So what you need to do? You need to upload it in the YouTube, and you should copy that YouTube link, and then you should upload it in the submission form. I hope that was understandable. This is how you participate. So you should start with a theme first of all, and then describe the problem statement, explain the solution, and then you can do this, right? Followed by this, we'll see the opportunities that you get by participating and winning in this particular hackathon or Sparkathon. The opportunities are amazing. Okay, you should not miss out on this. Okay, so you will receive. So if your idea is so nice, if you win this, you will receive potential interviews. So you will get to attend interviews, which in turn, if you get selected on those interviews, you can do internship, and you will be converted into a full-time employee at Walmart itself, at Walmart Global Tech in India. So that is amazing. That is the gateway to your success. So do not miss this. And you will also be recognized at the flagship event, which occurs annually at Walmart, and that is called as Converge. So in this event, thousands of people attend this event. So you will be able to build connections with people from various companies within the Walmart. So that will be really useful for you. So do not miss this. Okay. And if you are one of the winning teams, then you stand a chance to receive cash prizes up to 2,90,000 Indian rupees. I mean, that's amazing, right? Being recognized for your hard work and innovation. So these are all the opportunities that you will get if you get to win in this. Also, Just by participating and with a valid submission, you will also receive a certificate. Okay, participation certificate. So you can put that up in your resume. Either case, even if you win or not, you will have something to showcase, right? That's amazing, isn't it? So don't forget to register and sign up and bring up some ideas. And for that, you need to watch this video fully. Okay, now I was talking about those ideas, right? So let's get into this. So we've got four themes: data, supply chain, retail, emerging tech. So I've got some ideas for all of these, so you can actually use it, right? So the first is, let's take retail. Okay. So retail in the sense that is actually happening both in online and offline. Basically, shopping is retail. So you can do something to deliver an experience that brings the best of both online and offline worlds. Amazing, right? So with this idea, you just try to come up with something. Just try to think. You still got 4 days. Just try to think something. Okay. That is what retail. So this is one of the ideas I have for this. And then for emerging technologies, we have virtual reality and augmented reality. For example, you can bring on personalized solutions that is tailored to each and every person's preference and behaviors. And also, you can bring on virtual reality tools such that you can also include data security, better user experience. I mean, virtual reality tools are already present, right? So you can do something to bring security. You can build it in such a way that it has better security, better user experience. You can do that in case of emerging technologies and supply chain. So, in case of supply chain, let's say you've put an order on Amazon. So, you need to know where the product is. So, you track your product, right? So, you know it is shipped from Bangalore, it has reached Chennai, it has reached your area, like that. So the product visibility is still not that better. You need to know where exactly the product is. So you can try to improve the product ability, visibility ability, right? Using supply chain. So you can think of some ways in which you can achieve. For that, you need to do a lot of background study, what's already present. You can think of it. And then in case of retail, what you can also do is you can bring on online shopping inside the store. I mean, everywhere is crowded, it is overcrowded. You don't want to like stand on lines on queues. That is really not a good experience. So you can bring on that online shopping inside the store, so no queues, only personalization and better user experience. So these are all the ideas, some of the ideas that I have. So you can build upon this. You've got a starting point, right? You would have not had any idea what to do till now. But after watching this video, you've got some starting point. I want you to take on from that starting point and then do everything that you need to do. If you want a in-depth video with some more examples, actual project that you can actually talk on, kindly request in the comment box and I'll come up with a video for that also. Okay, now let's move on some tips I was talking about, right? On how to actually win this hackathon. I have some ideas for that. Do not worry. The first thing is your idea, basically, it should be impactful. It should be different. It should have some impact, right? Um, and after thinking of an impactful idea, you need to come up with a problem statement that is actually significant, that actually has created a problem within that particular theme. You should think of the problem statement in that way. It should be significant, not some random useless problem. Okay? Experienced by notorious, like less kind of people, like less number of people, right? You should not think it like that. It should be very significant. Followed by that, if you're going to give a solution, it should be very unique and effective. It should be unique in the sense it should not already be present in the world. And if that is difficult for you, you can take up the idea that's already present and change some things. I was talking about this point right here, right? You can improve the product visibility. You can just, the product visibility is already there, like 60%. You can try to bring up that to 80%, right? You can do that. So you should have a unique and effective solution. Followed by that, the solution should also be captivating. It should be interesting. It should light a bulb in the jury's mind. You should be like that. Okay, so another tips would be the solution should be innovative, creative. So that's what this challenge is all about. And it should also be scalable and possible. It should be scalable, meaning it should not be too costly. It should be correct in the correct amount. And it should also be feasible in the sense it should be possible. It should be possible to implement. You can't talk about ideas that are hypothetical or impossible to build. Okay, and then it should have some good impact on Walmart. It should be beneficial to Walmart. Only then they will accept. And also, you should have the proof of concept and demo. Your demo should be of good quality. You should talk it and you should actually upload it. Only then they'll see. So these are all some of the tips to win the hackathon. Just follow this. Okay. So learn about the theme first of all, and I've given you some ideas, and then I have given you the tips to win this hackathon. And you can combine all of this and you can surely come up with this. Do a lot of background study. Okay. So, what is the next step? So, let's just say you've already uploaded everything and you're waiting. What is the next step? So, if you get shortlisted from this point, you will be invited to present your solution or prototype. The next step is prototype, guys. So, if you have already uploaded, just start building your prototype or solution, because if you get selected, then you will be asked to show that in the second round virtually. So the first round is just the demo video you have to upload, and the second one is you have to present your solution or prototype virtually. The solution or prototype comes into play only in the second round, not in the first round. Just keep that in mind. And then if you get selected in the second round, and in the after that, the winners of this second round will be invited to converge. I was already talking about the event to converge, right? You will be invited to this. So only two steps. So first step, you do a very good, amazing demo, get selected, and showcase your solution and prototype. Okay, and then if you get selected in the second step also, you will be invited to the converge where you will be awarded in person. So very simple, you people. Okay, so you need to follow this. So that's all for this video. I hope you got started. I hope you got what you want from this video, right? Because you might not even have known that this existed, or you might be confused, like what exactly do I do? What idea do I search? And then I hope this video was useful for you. So please do give me a like, subscribe, and if you've got any doubt, please do mention in the comment box, and I'll make sure to answer. If you want detailed video on ideas, examples, what kind of things do I talk about, mention in the comment box. Ask me, guys, and I'll put a video for that. Okay. Now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye bye and take care.